You know, nothing really satisfies like a rich, creamy sauce. And when it comes to rich, creamy sauces, butter, it's the bomb. And creaminess, it's a pretty magical thing. Creamy is both a taste and a sensation. It's kind of like luxury and comfort, but on your tongue. Now, you know I start every episode with a quick sauce. One that you can just whip up on any Tuesday night. And today, I'm doubling down on salmon. Look at that. Canadian salmon. It's a little sweet, it's fatty. It's one of the many things that, as a Nova Scotian, I'm pretty proud of.
It's a change when you up. You call me private, got me hanging you up. I loved you like my group was loving Billie Jean. Moonwalking, girl, your beauty had me doing anything.
I'm gonna make 2 sauces with 2 very different flavor profiles and elevate them both with a knob of butter. Who are you calling a knob? And you know, a lot of us actually make butter at home, accidentally, while whipping cream. This is one of my favorite sounds. There's about 270 million cows globally producing milk every day. And that makes for some pretty gnarly greenhouse emissions. Look at this salmon, crispy skin. Man, so what dreams are made of. It's just time to flavor this pan. I have maple liqueur, rich and delicate, it's a little sweet. Ha-ha. Gorgeous. Tequila. Tastes like my 20s. Bam. For my maple liqueur sauce, little thyme. And to reinforce that tequila flavor, agave syrup, nice and sweet, herbaceous Mexican oregano. Of course, I wake it up with some lime. Come on, work for daddy. There you go. I know you're there. Lime juice, complete. Get everything working all together. And again, I can see how quickly everything has reduced because less is more. Bam, bam, heat off. And remember, this episode's all about creamy. Butter. Everything's better with butter. Creamy and dreamy, all because of butter. Get a nice, healthy swirl to emulsify. Wow. This is what dreams are made of. This is what creamy dreams are made of. All right, I'm hungry for some salmon. And we see how easy this was too, huh? And if tequila ain't your thing, lemon, white wine, tarragon, as long as you got some butter to finish the pan. And first, we're going to Cabo. What happens in Cabo stays in Cabo. Oh my, look at that. You wanna talk about dreamy? Woo. We went to Cabo, stay right here in Canada. This is dinner before I head off to the Celine Dion concert. Here we go. Wow, look at that. Bold, floral, delicious. Sweet, rich, but still delicate. Wow, how easy was that? Just find something to flavor the pan, then finish it with cold butter. And bam, there you go.